L-elettorat tkellem u qal li l-Partit Nazzjonalista għadu mhux lest biex jigverna.
The electorate actually said and shouted out loud that the Nationalist Party should stay in opposition. The Nationalist Party is not fit to govern yet. The Nationalist Party should do much more if it ever hopes to be able to attract an electorate which is strong enough to actually take it to government.
Adrian Delia għal dan waqt intervista ma' Herman Grek fuq Timestalk, intervista li matula l-kap tal-Partit Nazzjonalista ġie mistoqsi dwar it-tibdil fih dan il-partit.
This is not something that happened overnight. It had been coming, and the major challenge in my mind is how to succeed in getting everybody to work together.
Adrian Delia tkellem dwar il-ħtieġa li l-partit ikun maqut biex iseħħu l-bidliet li hemm bżonn u li jistgħu iwasslu biex l-elettorat jerġa' jibda jemmen li l-Partit Nazzjonalista jista' jgverna l-pajjiż. U stqar li għalkemm il-bidla bdiet din ma kienx biżżejjed, iżda qal ukoll il-mandat li jingħata mit-tesserati kien biex jaqla lill-partit minn dak li kien qed jankrah fil-passat u jippreparah għall-elezzjoni ġenerali li jmiss.
I know that in the last year and a half we've started doing some changes, certainly not enough. I honestly don't think that the Nationalist Party needs to pass through another leadership campaign. I honestly don't think that. What I think is that the changes that I had been entrusted to effect, we have not done yet. For 101 reasons. First of all, a year and a half or less is not enough time to do them.
L-editur ta' Times Online staqsa lil Adrian Delia kif iħossu meta jara li mhux dawk kollha fil-partit qed jiġbdu l-istess ħabel.
I feel very frustrated because unless we're all going to toe the same line in the same direction, we're not going to move forward at all. So if we really want the good of the Nationalist Party, if we really want to implement changes and not try and stay where we were, then we all need to do it in one direction. It's completely useless if we don't all toe the same line in the same direction to actually see any progress. And that's what is really and blatantly missing right now.
Adrian Delia tenna li l-bibin tiegħu huma dejjem miftuħin u lest jiddiskuti u jisma' lil kull min jixtieq jaħdem għal ġid tal-partit. U qal li ħafna huma dawk li qed jaħdmu miegħu u li se jibqa' jaħdem għall-għaqda li l-unika triq il-qudiem għall-partit.